Sabaydi, hello everybody. Long time no see in the kitchen, right? Today I come back to my kitchen. Today I gonna make some. Let me see. The Lao they call kind of American style. They call it beef stew. And this one I call this one is Lao beef stew. Okay, but the Lao beef stew is different from American way. The Lao way is have a lot of herb, have a lot of vegetable and a lot of key ingredient. And I'm gonna show you all my ingredients is step by step. And Lao they call sin kalai, no. The beef I give leg is really good. And I'm gonna let you know what is the name, but I have to looking for my paper, and I don't. And I have some cow skin and all the vegetable in here. I'm gonna show you all my ingredients. Start from the beef. Beef is the beef leg, okay? I got from the leg. And I have some cow skin. I have some galangal, Thai chili, lime leaf, lemongrass, and onion. The red onion, the small, what's what I call that small onion, and the herb. I have some green bean. This one is look like a Thai the basil, but it's not the basil. The same family with the basil. They call Lao, they call paprika. And this one and pak khom, but pak khom mel or something like that. But I don't know how to call in English, guys. And but I'm gonna show you all the vegetable I'm gonna add. This is pumpkin leaf. I add from the the end of the pumpkin. This one Lao they call nyot mak uk. I like to add a lot of vegetable to my ok. And the first thing I have some 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 2.5 tablespoons is the rice soaked with the water. I'm gonna blend everything together later on. And this is anchovy, fish sauce, salt, and lemongrass. That's all the ingredients I have, you guys, and you have to follow me about whatever I do, okay? First thing, I'm gonna cook the beef first, and after that, I'm gonna add all ingredients together, but beef maybe 45 minutes. Okay, everybody. The first thing, I'm gonna add some 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, okay? Some beef. Red onion, lime leaf, and lemongrass. Okay. And after that, I'm gonna add some paprika, 2 teaspoons because I want colorful. That's why. And add some salt. 2.5 teaspoons. Yeah, and mix. Why I add some oil? Because I want a nice color. After that, I'm gonna add some fish sauce, about 2 tablespoons there. Anchovy, add less. Okay, everybody, this is khao bua. Okay, let me check it out. How much khao bua I have? I said 2 tablespoons and half, but yeah, I want my a little bit thicker. That's why. And I add some lemongrass and Thai chili. Smash. I don't like to blend, I just like to do like this. I think it's done. I'm gonna add some little water. This is they call khao bua, okay? Okay, come check with the beef. It's boiling now. You see they have a little bit color. See it? It's almost cooked. I'm gonna add some water, okay guys? You know, sin kalai is good. I like it, you know. It's stir fry or it's good too, you know. Everything's good. Kalai. 3 water bottle. Why I add 3 bottle water? Because I can add some more vegetable. That's why. And I have to boil about 20 40 minutes because it makes beef is soft and tender. Okay. Okay. And then I'm not gonna stir anything, and I'm gonna cover with the lid. Smells so good, you guys. Smell herb. Okay, I think it's ready. Yeah, I'm gonna add some kabua, okay? I don't know, this is I blend, but I'm not gonna add them all. The first thing I'm gonna add some 3 tablespoons first. 1 more. Like that. And mix after you add the kabua, you have to mix, okay? You see that I got burned. Smells good. Looks yummy, look guys. And I add some anchovy. Last, I'm gonna add some vegetable. So basically I need to add some eggplant too, but I don't have eggplant. I have all this kind of vegetable. It's okay, more than enough. So basically all like this we have to add some MSG, okay? But I don't use the MSG. I use the kind of fish sauce. Free crab is really good. I for sure that one have MSG too, but I just use that one. Then I don't use the MSG, okay? See the kabua? Kabua start a little bit thick right now. Continue to boil about 5 minutes. Okay, then after that I'm gonna add some green bean. Sometimes you have a long bean, but I don't have a long bean. I add some green bean, the short green bean, you know. Okay, now I'm gonna add some vegetable. A lot of vegetable is good. And paprika. See it? A lot of herb is good for you. Green, green, green. What's this? This vegetable I picked up in my friend's farm. Oh my god, you guys smell so good. Look at that. Eat this with sticky rice. Oh my god, the best. Yeah, and you can use any kind of beef you want, you know, and you can use pork, chicken, beef, any kind of beef, and it's good, okay? And please follow Naly Kitchen, like and subscribe for me, you guys. Bye bye. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.